Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Do not try to remove a security tag yourself. That risks damage and legal trouble. You should stop what you're doing and keep the item and receipt in hand so staff can verify purchase quickly. Walk to the store's service desk or catch a nearby employee. Explain you have a tag left on by mistake. Once done, they will use authorized equipment and procedures to release it safely. This protects you, the item, and the retailer, and avoids accidents or accusations. If no employee is immediately available, remain calm and call the store's customer service line from the parking lot or nearby. Ask to speak with a manager and explain you need authorized removal. They can direct a trained staff member or set a return appointment. Make sure to photograph the receipt and the tagged item and note the time. These details help validate your claim. Once staff arrives or you return, present the documentation so they can remove the tag properly and prevent misunderstandings. When a staff member is ready, present your receipt and ID for final verification and let them use the store's release equipment. Do not try to force the tag off yourself. If the tag fails to release, ask for a manager and politely request they handle the problem or offer an alternative solution like a documented return. If you encounter resistance or a dispute, remain composed, record names and times, and call the retailer's customer service for escalation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.